In this video, The Internet in 5 minutes, we'll explain the Internet. What it is, and how it works. Welcome back to Explaining Difficult Stuff. Our nerds are dedicated to helping people of all ages understand complicated topics. This quick summary of the Internet is designed so that you don't have to be a network engineer to understand. After we explain what it is, we will go step by step, from the instant you type something into a search bar, until the information appears on your screen. We follow our unique formula that makes complex subjects more easily understood. We explain 3 things in this video. What the Internet is, what it consists of and what it does. Now let's take a quick refresher on the Internet. The Internet has allowed people to reduce their exposure to the coronavirus by working from home. It has become so commonplace, that there is growing debate over whether or not some industries will ever return to the office. The Internet is amazing and complex. Many people find it hard to understand. But after this video you will have a clearer understanding. Let's start with the most obvious question. What is the Internet? The Internet consists of millions of computers of various organizations, all operating their own networks, and linked together by one cable network. People are often confused about the difference between the Internet and the web. They are not the same. The web is the information that is available via the Internet. Think of it this way. The Internet is the machine, or assembly line. The web is the product it delivers. You get to this information using a web browser like Google Chrome. Now the tricky question. How does the Internet work? Most people visualize the Internet as a nebulous cloud that exists someplace, out there. Of course, that is not what it is. Simply stated, it is a cable, buried in the ground and along the ocean floor. Home computers are not directly connected to the Internet. Home computers must subscribe to Internet service providers, where huge computers called servers connect them to the Internet. Internet service providers are referred to as ISPs. You will recognize ISPs by their brand names. Xfinity, Verizon, and AT&T are examples. All servers have an address that works exactly like a home address. It's called an IP address or Internet Protocol address. To get to a specific website you must know its address. Since IP addresses are difficult to remember, domain names like apple.com are assigned to the server's IP address to make it easy for you to remember. Whether you're looking for the news, a job, buying groceries, or staying in touch with friends, the Internet is a valuable resource. You can visit social media websites and buy anything online. You enter a Google search, and after traveling a long distance, almost instantaneously, the results appear on your screen. How did it happen? Out of all the computers in the world, let's discuss how the server gets that information directly to you. Let's summarize the whole process from the time you enter a search request to the moment it appears on your monitor. First, you go to a web browser like Google Chrome, and type in what you are looking for. Google then shows you the URL address of the data you are requesting. Once you click on the URL, your Internet service provider, Xfinity for example, sends the URL address to a data center where the data is located. Once the data source is located, the information is sent back to your ISP. Since your ISP knows the IP address of your computer, it forwards the data to you. The incoming data is sent to the router in your home, which then uses an Ethernet cable to forward it to your monitor to complete the process. In just seconds all of this happens, even though the round trip covered a great distance. When we began, we said we would cover 3 things. What the Internet is, what it consists of, and what it does. We accomplished that, and we did it in 5 minutes. Often the subjects we explain are more complicated and technical than the basics we cover. We take liberties to achieve clarity and simplicity. If you want to dig deeper into the Internet, and how it works, see the link below for a more detailed explanation. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Explaining Difficult Stuff. Every time someone subscribes, it makes our day. We appreciate it. It gives us the incentive to keep reaching out to people of all ages with our videos. Thanks for watching Explaining Difficult Stuff. By the way, there is no cure for curiosity.